Today we shall be discussing about the next topic, digestive system. You are very familiar with this digestive system. So before starting with digestive system, let us discuss what do we mean by digestion. Clear? What is digestion? It is the process of breakdown, in simplified term, process of breakdown of complex organic compounds, that is food, which is in the form of food or nutrients, as you can say, into simpler soluble forms. For its utilization. Clear? Now when we talk about digestion, as I have said earlier also, what do we mean by digestion? It is the process of breakdown of complex organic compound of food into simpler forms, and that requires the role of enzymes. That is, we take food in the form of nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And human beings generally, we exhibit holozoic type of nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means intake of food in solid form. Got it? So that solid form of food that we take in the form of carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins, and that is the sources, generally are in the solid form. So it has to be broken down into smaller pieces, into its soluble form, and there comes the role of enzymes. So what are enzymes? Enzymes are referred as biocatalyst. You have studied in chemistry biocatalyst. Biocatalyst means what? What is catalyst? These are substances which initiate the chemical reaction. Clear? So when we talk about enzymes, enzymes are biocatalysts. What is their function? That is, they speed up the reaction, speed up the rate of reaction, that is chemical reaction. Now, they are chemically made up of proteins. Enzymes are made up of proteins. Clear? What is the other characteristics? That is, they act only on one substrate, only on a specific substrate. I'll tell you the example. That means what? To break down maltose into its components, got it? You require the enzyme maltase. Clear? For breaking down fructose, you require fructase. For breaking down sucrose, you require the enzyme sucrase. That means what? That is, this particular sucrase enzyme cannot act on maltose. So enzymes are specific in nature. That means they act only on a specific substrate. Clear? Next, what is their another reaction? They work at an optimum temperature. Since they help in digestion, their optimum temperature range, that is the body temperature, around 35 to 37 degrees centigrade. Got it? That is their maximum, that is optimum temperature where they can work. They can work lower than this temperature also, but their optimum temperature is the body temperature. Very high temperature, above 40 degrees Celsius, the enzymes get denatured. Denatured means destroyed. And at very low temperature, the enzymes becomes inactive. That is, they inhibit. They cannot act. And therefore, what happens? That's why you find that the foods which are kept in a refrigerator, they can be stored for a longer duration, because at a very low temperature, the enzymes activity becomes inhibited. When the same food is kept outside, what do you find? That is, the food usually, that is the cooked food, usually gets rotten. Got it? Why? Because the enzymes work at the optimum temperature. They also work at a suitable pH. Clear? Suitable pH. Now let us discuss about digestion. Let us come to the diagram again. The digestive system consists of the alimentary canal. Got it? That is, this alimentary canal is about 9 meters long, which starts from the mouth and ends up in anus. They consist of digestive glands. The two digestive glands are that is, though there are glands like salivary glands, gastric glands, but the largest glands are the liver and pancreas. Now, as you see in the diagram, what do you find? That is, the uppermost part, the digestive system, consists of the various parts, and the process involves 4 phases. That is ingestion, intake of food, digestion, then you have absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Clear? So the first part includes the egestion, which includes the mouth and its various parts. The mouth is also referred as the oral cavity, which consists of 2 outer lips, and inside you have the upper and the lower jaw. The lower jaw is movable and the upper jaw is immovable, with the teeth and the tongue. Clear? So let us continue with the mouth. Now, what is the role of the lips? The lips, it limits the outer covering of the mouth, and then it also helps add beauty to the face. It also helps it to speak. Got it? Inside it, you have the buccal cavity or the mouth, which consists of the tongue and the teeth. What is the role of the tongue? It has got taste buds which provides taste. Moreover, it helps in mixing of the food and it acts as a lubricant. So that's all for today's session. In the next class, we continue with the digestion process. So remember the labeling of the digestive system. That's all. Stay home. Be safe.